In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion as a PDF. If you want to share a polished snapshot of your Notion page, send something to a teammate who doesn't use Notion, or print a clean copy, exporting to PDF is a quick and reliable way to do it. Start by opening the Notion page you want to export. Give the page a quick review so it looks the way you intend. Make sure the right database view is selected, any toggles you want visible are opened, and images are loading correctly. What you see on the page is what the PDF will capture. At the top right of your Notion page, click the three-dot menu. This is the page menu that houses page settings and actions. It's easy to miss if you're moving quickly, but it's the key to exporting. From the menu that appears, click Export. This opens Notion's export panel where you choose how your content will be saved. You'll see a field labeled Export Format showing a default option, which might be something other than PDF the first time you open it. Click the current format in that Export Format field to reveal the format choices. From the list, select PDF. Choosing PDF preserves your layout and is ideal for sharing or printing because it looks the same on any device. You might notice additional options in this panel depending on your workspace and page type. If you're unsure about them, the defaults are usually fine and will produce a clean, readable document. With PDF selected, you're ready to proceed. Click Export. Notion will prepare your file, and in a moment your browser or desktop app will prompt you to save it. Choose a destination on your computer where you can easily find it later and confirm. If the page is long or contains many images or databases, give it a few extra seconds to generate. Once the download finishes, open the PDF to make sure everything looks right. Check headings, spacing, images, and any database tables to confirm they appear as expected. If something looks off, maybe a toggle was closed or a database view wasn't the one you wanted, simply return to your Notion page, make the quick adjustment, and repeat the export. It only takes a moment and you'll get a crisp, final version you can trust. That's all there is to it. By opening the page menu, choosing Export, switching the format to PDF, and confirming the export, you'll have a professional-looking document ready to share, print, or archive in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your neatly formatted Notion PDF.